When we think about boosting our mood, we often think about self-care activities like exercise or journaling. But did you know that what you eat can make a difference as well? Today we're going to learn which foods can make all the difference for our latest healthy eats. She's got a list of feel-good foods. It's registered dietitian, nutritionist Maggie Michalcyk. Hey, Maggie, we got to talk about the big question first, and that is, how can foods impact our emotional health?
So certain foods contain really key nutrients that can have a profound impact on our mood, on healthy brain function, and we want to make sure we're not deficient in the nutrients that those foods contain. And by doing that, we'll be able to prevent, our moods from turning, prevent feeling irritable, help manage our stress a little bit more, and in turn get that little mood boost.
You have the list of mood boosting foods, Maggie. Tell us what they are.
So some key mood boosting foods would be fermented foods. So things like sauerkraut, kombucha, things like that contain those beneficial good bacteria that our gut needs more of to stay healthy. We're learning so much about the gut-brain connection. So keeping our gut healthy is really important for our mood and healthy brain. Dark leafy greens are another one. They are great mood boosters because they contain B vitamins like folate, which is really important for healthy brain function and helps boost serotonin, which is the happy chemical in our brain that we want to make sure we're having enough of. Fatty fish, avocados, almonds, and olive oil give us those healthy fats, those omega-3 healthy fats that our brain needs for optimal function, because nobody's in a good mood when they don't feel good. And then eggs too also contain vitamin D. And vitamin D is the sunshine vitamin that we may not be getting a lot of during the winter months. And vitamin D plays a huge role in helping boost our mood, prevent irritability, prevent mood swings and feelings of depression.
And let's not forget chocolate.
Studies have shown that dark chocolate with high concentrations of cacao have shown improvements in people's mood, in stress levels, in memory, and in cognition. But the key here is dark chocolate. So you want to make sure it's at least 70% cacao or higher.
We got to put these foods to work, and you have a recipe to share with us today.
Yes, today I'm excited to share a salmon kale Caesar salad. You can pack on those mood boosting foods onto the salad and really customize it based on what you have at home. So I'm starting with a bed of kale. Kale is our dark leafy green, and I'm just gonna remove it from the stem, massage it with a little bit of olive oil. So I'm gonna just pour a little bit of oil on top. And now I'm just gonna add a scoop of canned salmon. I'm gonna add some almonds, which we know contain those really beneficial healthy fats, some avocado. And next I'm just gonna sprinkle on some pumpkin seeds too, seasoned with some garlic powder and salt and pepper. Dress it with your favorite dressing. Caesar would be great, and you've got yourself a really nice mood boosting lunch.
So I think what we all need to remember that it's not junk food we need to reach for to boost our moods. There are healthy alternatives that will do the trick.
Incorporating some of the things you see here on this salad, like avocado, almonds, dark leafy greens, on a daily basis will really add up to prevent deficiencies in those feel-good nutrients.
Maggie, great information. I wish I had a fork. All right, we want to hear from you. Show us your good mood foods. Just tag us on Instagram at Living Healthy TV. So if you like this video and want more Living Healthy, just subscribe to our channel.